Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to add the Christmas tree effect onto your CapCut clips. So initially what you're going to want to do is go to Media, click and drag your clip down to the timeline. Once you have it there, we're going to click on Effects, Video Effects, and then go down to Christmas. We're going to scroll down until we find Christmas tree, click and drag it down to the timeline, and then we're going to elongate it by grabbing or clicking each side and dragging it to the end of the clip. With it being highlighted, we're going to go to the right corner where it says Special Effects and mess with the atmosphere, size, and speed. So I kind of want it to be a little bit more faster, and then maybe decrease the no, we're going to increase the size. And then let's see what happens if we change the atmosphere. Okay, so we want it to be at max. All right, let's take a look. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.